Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make a humongous voluminous bun using your regular donut bun. Because donuts are so heavy, I decided to show you a trick. So basically we'll begin by gathering all our hair into a very high ponytail on our top of our head. Like I'm showing, make sure to smooth it out using a comb. And then using a clear elastic, tighten as well. Then you want to unravel your donut bun like I'm showing here. And then you want to gather like I'm showing. So our donut will look a little different shape, more voluminous than usual donut bun. So now you want to bring it over the ponytail, and then you want to spread your hair around, creating big donut. Hiding the donut, you want to hide the ends on the created donut bun. So you want to hide our bun in a circular motion like I'm showing here. Hide the ends underneath. You want to pin it in place, make sure there are no donuts showing. Now you want to pin it in place. Use some hairspray. Also you can use a comb again to smooth out your hair, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this trick. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye.